Wow, the airport is huge today.
I am so excited to go to America. I hope my flight goes smoothly. My passport and ticket are ready.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the check-in counter is?
Sure. Go straight and take a left. You'll see counters 20 to 25.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good trip.
Hello, may I see your passport and ticket?
Yes, here they are.
Are you traveling for business or holiday?
Holiday, my first trip to America.
Great. Any checked bags?
Just one.
Place it on the scale, please.
Okay. Is it okay?
Perfect. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is 22.
Thank you very much.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, please sit.
Thank you. Are you going to America too?
Yes.
First time?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Me too. Which city are you visiting first?
The city center.
That's a great place to start.
I think I'll get a coffee before boarding.
Good idea. I need something warm too. Do you travel often?
Sometimes. I love exploring new places.
Me too. That's why I chose America. You'll have so much fun.
Finally, it's almost time. Ready for boarding?
Yes, I hope my seat is comfortable.
Me too.
May I see your boarding pass?
Here you go.
Seat 14A. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. This plane is so big.
It is. I hope the flight is smooth. Is this your first long flight?
Yes. How about you?
First long flight too. I'm excited and nervous.
Me too. I hope everything goes well. The crew looks very nice.
Would you like food or drinks?
Yes, food please.
I'll have juice.
It looks delicious.
Mine too. Do you travel alone?
Sometimes. What about you?
Today is my first solo holiday.
That's brave.
Look at the clouds. They're so beautiful.
I love flying. The sky is amazing. It feels like we're in another world.
Look outside.
I can see buildings. Wow, amazing view.
My first time here. I can't wait to explore.
You will love it.
We are landing. This is so exciting.
The city looks beautiful from above. I hope everything goes smoothly at the airport.
I hope my luggage arrives safely.
Airports can be stressful.
Definitely. But also exciting.
I see my suitcase. Finally. I'm happy it arrived.
Me too. Everything went well.
Is this the line for taxis?
Yes. Where are you heading?
To a hotel in the city center.
I'll take you there safely.
Thank you. It's so exciting to see the city.
Yes, it's beautiful, especially for first-time visitors.
I can't wait to explore everything.
You will love it here.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under Lucy Smith.
Here's your room key, room 503.
Thank you. Is the elevator near?
Yes, right over there.
Wow, the room is beautiful.
The view from the window is amazing. I'm ready to start exploring the city.
Hello, friends. I'm finally in America today. I traveled by plane and everything went smoothly.
We're so excited to explore the city and try new food. Traveling is exciting.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share.
Don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.